Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to make the selected TikTok sound your default phone ringtone. So, before we need to have such applications as Ringtone Maker and the GarageBand one. So if we did it successfully and have these selected applications, we can go to the TikTok app and choose the video we like. Later, we have to pick on the share button and choose the save video option. Wait a minute please. Perfect. Let's check this video in our gallery photos app. Go to the recents. Yes, this is that video. Perfect. Now we have to go to the Ringtone Maker application and tap on the plus button at the top corner, top bar of the screen. Later, let's pick the import from videos option and choose the last one. Click on the done feature. Okay, it's net. Please wait a minute. Okay, and click on the pick on the cross. Later, we have to tap on the button opposite the ringtone we added and choose the Make Ringtone Trim option, which is the first one from the list. Yes, this is our sound we like and want to set as a ringtone, so let's choose this option, Set Ringtone. After, we have to choose the GarageBand application from the list. Click on it one time. I need to hold my phone to turn it and check the orientation. Yes, super. So this is our added new sound. Click on this sound, hold it on, and choose the share option. Perfect. Now let's click on the second ringtone button. Pick on the continue. We can choose another name for our recording. For example, amazing. Done and export. Okay. Wait a minute please again before exporting this ringtone, and okay. So after, we need to go to the settings of our iPhone. Yes, so let's go to the settings and choose the sounds and haptics option. Later, let's pick on the ringtone one, and as we can see, we have a newly added sound here. Amazing, really amazing. Let's pick on it. Let's tap on the back to save all our changes, but let's check if this is that sound we need. Let's check it. And our ringtone. Well done! Guys, if this video was useful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course HardReset.Info TikTok channels. Goodbye, good luck!